little baby. How you doing today, huh? It was kind of a rainy day and you were outside for most of it, eh? Oh, we got a burn you. Oh, got it. Oh, I think you're freaking out. Yeah, would you like some wet food, buddy? Oh, we got a burn your back, too. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, what a good baby. Yeah, you probably want some dinner now, don't you? Oh, okay, so what's on the menu today? Oh, I think I see something. Your daddy's got to have dinner, too. Oh, look what we got. Roasted chicken entree. That's an OG meal. Yeah. Yep. Here we go, Mr. Oh, look how happy he is. Oh, doo-doo-doo. There you go. Okay, you enjoy that, my friend. Hey, Mr. Baby. Do you want to do a treat time? Okay, I'll get some treats first. Gotta have some treats for treat time, otherwise it doesn't work. Oh, look at these ones. Ooh, mix-ups. Look at that cat. The cat's fishing. Also on a small island, apparently. Ooh. Hands are slippery. There we go. So hurry up, Daddy. Give me the treats. I think I can do better than 2 treats. Okay, we'll do 3. Since he just ate. All right, Mr. Boo Boo, ready spaghetti? You ready for some treats? I think so. Oh, hello. Then we'll do playtime. Oh, what a good baby. Happy Friday Eve, everyone. For those of you who don't know, that means it's Thursday. Yeah. We got one more for the baby for now. Aww. What a good baby. And we can play, but I gotta finish my applesauce too, okay? Gotta finish Daddy's applesauce. Look, I homemade some chunky applesauce. Pretty good. Yeah, it was 4 apples. Well, not more than the amount you saw. And 4 normal size Honeycrisps and a big one. I think it was called a River Wolf or Wolf River apple. Huge. Like 3 times the size of a normal apple. Okay, Mr. Boo Boo, do you want to go downstairs and play? Let's go. I'll race you. Ready? Oh, let's see if he'll beat me. Gotta do stretching first? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Oh, I'm slowing down halfway. Am I gonna make it? Oh, I think I beat him barely, though. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we can play with down here, buddy. Oh, maybe the steps. What? You going to the guest room, buddy? What you doing in there? What you doing in there? Hey, you want to go in the guest room? You just want to chill in there, buddy? Yes. Okay, come on. Ooh. Don't play with that toy. Gonna wash your leg? Okay, that's fine too. Got my lightsaber ready? Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa, we body slammed it pretty good, buddy. Yeah, got your belly now. You body slammed it. Whoa. It's behind you. It's behind you in the carpet. Whoa, he's a little monster, huh? A little monster. Can you get this over here now? Whoa. Slapping it around. Yikes. Ooh. Whoa. We'll just let him have it, huh? Oh, dropped it. Yikes. Whoa. Oh, you're gonna get it, buddy. You're gonna get it. Oh, that was cute. I don't think I've seen him do that before. You pouncing on this thing, buddy? Well, try it again. Try it again. Oh, no, it fell by itself. Here, we'll put it against there again. Can you get it, buddy? Get it? Whoa. You don't play with that toy that you're afraid of now, huh? Oh, he just wants to go downstairs. Okay. Oh, let's play with the bat wand toy. Mm-hmm. We may have another bat wand toy coming pretty soon. Spoiler. That'll be for the Halloween video, mister. Yes, which we'll probably do a day or two before Halloween or so, whatever. Whoa. Oh, that way we can enjoy Halloween. Whoa! Oh no, that's a shipwreck. Oh, that's gone. Can you help me fix it? Wow. We'll have to put it back together. Humpty Dumpty, okay? We'll put it back together again. Oh no, don't attack it when I'm trying to fix it, buddy, please. Trying to do it with one hand is a little challenging. I think this will work for now. Maybe. I forgot to turn the extra light on. That's okay, though. Too late now. We're into the playtime. Wouldn't be surprised if this pops out again. Whoa! Look how crazy he is. Oh, my goodness. Whoa, this thing is wobbling. Try to get this. Try to... Okay, I think that's on there pretty good now. Oh! Whoa. Yikes. Gotta go for it, buddy. Ooh. It's stuck in the carpet. Oh, you got it out. Good job. Yeah. Oh, I got a cleaner hand? Okay. You got a burr stuck in there, buddy, or something? You don't have too many burrs on you right now. You had a couple when you first came inside. Yeah. Whoa, here. You gonna get it, buddy? You gonna get it? It's against your neck now. Oh no, oh no. Oh, what's that bother? What's that bugging you, buddy? Might bothering you? Might being a bother. Here, I'll lean it up against the chair, and you can knock it down if you want to. It's up to you, buddy. You don't have to. You can leave it there for next time. Yeah. Are you done playing for now, buddy? Yeah. Oh, how about your crinkle ball? Ooh, one of your favorite toys. Here. Oh, there we go. Oh, here you go again. Here. Put it on your head, like a little hat. Oh, no. It rolled off your back, buddy. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough playtime for now, I guess. All right, well, thank you all so much for joining us today. And Cinnabon's like, yeah, whatever. And we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Whoa. Looks like he ripped a big burr. There's a big leaf on his tail earlier today. It's full of sap. Nasty. That's okay, though. Yeah. Oh, where's he going? Oh, we're going to check out the search cooler? Oh, it's your cat carrier. Yeah. He probably remembers that. Probably doesn't want to, though. Don't worry, buddy. I'm not going to put you in there for a while. Hopefully not, anyway. Unless you need to go in for some reason. Yeah. He's going to book, I think. Oh, see you later.